the basically haboobs that hit Amarillo destroyed our pool cover and like broke the motor, and they just fixed it. So we're gonna go see how much dirt is in. So far it's not terrible. I was kind of expecting brown water. I am shocked at how not bad it is. Like, you can still see, holy moly. It's been closed for winter since like September. We haven't even opened it. Look, the steps aren't even gross. That's shocking how not terrible it is.
Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
Now I have to learn how to reopen it for summer.
Mama,
I don't know if I do that yet or
Mama.
not, but holy moly, it's not near as bad as I thought it was going to be.